This looked easier on YouTube.
I've got this business model as pay-as-you-go remodeling, and we hire subcontractors to do the work. For 50 years, I didn't know where I fit in God's story.
Here's this room. Been mudding it. I've got this all mud.
Go way over there by the toilet where mostly I want to get those piles.
Here we are at the KC job. Digging a little.
What's that? No toilet?
How'd that happen?
There you go. It's a nice drain in over there. Comes all the way out.
The Bible says that those who endure till the end Hey, it's Corey with Corey's Homework. I just want, if I'm not showing Jesus, I don't want to show anything. Everyone, everywhere, knows exactly kind of the story of my life. I've been treading through deep waters all my life. If I'm not operating in the Spirit, I don't want to operate in anything. A little remodeling project or a door change.
Corey's homeworkers are here.
Wow, this looks amazing.